Hey Language Arts kiddos, Miss Adair here, and I wanted to give you a brief intro into what we are going to be doing here with our next assignment, and kind of just an awesome thing you could do. It doesn't have to be a one-time thing you're done, but we're going to be writing letters of love, letters to the elderly, and I'm going to go through kind of what that looks like real quickly, and hopefully that you guys do that and send off some actual handwritten letters that we can spread some kindness right now. So I'm going to share this here. So here's your language arts classroom. Here's our next assignment. And let's go to it. Instructions. All right, so we need your help. We want you to write a letter that will uplift an elderly stranger. According to a study, small gestures in everyday life, like showing compassion and performing random acts of kindness, help us feel love. In a digital age, words on paper are a novelty that we often overlook. Letters are something to cherish, set on a desk or stick on a fridge or bind in a scrapbook. And especially with our older generation, they are used to getting letters and not having to just read emails all the time. It's nice to have that thing that you can hold on to. So that's where we come in. Take a few minutes right now, sit down, and write a letter to an elder, but someone who's a stranger, telling them about yourself, maybe a joke, a riddle, and just let them know that they're loved, that there's people out there in this world that are thinking of them. Making a difference can be so simple, yet it's incredibly impactful. It might be hard at first to write a letter to someone you don't know, so just pretend it's a conversation. What kinds of things would you talk about to a stranger? Describe what your new normal is in a day of a student in Kenai, Alaska. How's everything changed for you since COVID-19's changed our lives, everybody, all around the country? And just, tell a funny story or tell about something that you like to do in the summer here in Kenai. There's tons of different things you can talk about, and there's no wrong or right thing to write in a letter. And then I've attached also some general guidelines here when you click on this, just to help you make sure you're doing these letters that we can share. So before sending it, make sure that it's legible, it's large print, and it's handwritten. Okay, don't worry if you're not super artistic. You're going to just make a card or write a letter as something that you'd also like to receive. So right here it says exclude the date. Don't put that in there because it may take a little bit of extra time to get stuff sent out right now. Embrace your creativity. Write letters that are personal and encourage you to make your letters detailed and heartfelt. And the most important thing is to be kind and thoughtful. Don't just talk about yourself. But this is a one-way letter exchange, so you're not going to receive anything back. So you're just sending out love from us to the world and to our elders. And that's the beauty of this act of kindness. Your recipients won't feel burdened or obligated to write back to us if they're unable to. And then make sure you're putting your cards in an envelope. If you are going to write more than one letter, which would be awesome, make sure each one's in its own envelope, and then have that be ready to be sent, and that can be unstamped. And then when you're ready, tell me, and I have some addresses that we can send our letters to. I'm going to be working with some of the facilities here in our own community, senior centers, Heritage Place, but also some around the country that we can send letters out to as well. And then share that. Take a picture, share that on Facebook, or share that with me. And let's see if we can make this be bigger than just our small class at Kenai Middle, or just see if you can get some friends to do the same thing, and see if we can kind of snowball this and get more people checking in and writing letters with our elders. So if you have questions, let me know, guys, and I will see you soon. I'll be off writing my own letter here right now. All right, bye, guys.